Good evening, parents and caregivers. I'm Mrs. Johnson from Mimosa Elementary. I have been teaching 20 plus years. This is my 9th year at Mimosa. The first grade teachers are so pleased to welcome you to the 2021 school year. We're looking forward to having your child in first grade at Mimosa Elementary. First grade is such a fun year with so many learning opportunities to celebrate. In order to have a fun year, it is important we create a family of learners in our classroom. We're committed to creating a classroom environment where your child is a valued, trusted, and an integral part of our family of learners. As we all know, this year has started a little different for our students. Yet, with the collaboration and the communication between school and family, we know that this will be a successful school year. Thank you for experiencing Virtual Curriculum Night 2020 with us at Mimosa.